In this video, I am going to tell you the step-by-step process on how to apply for the electronic travel authorization, the new system introduced by Kenya Immigration Department in place of online visa. I will also tell you what are the different documentations which are required and how to upload them carefully so as to avoid any chance of rejection of your application. From 1st January 2024, Kenya Immigration Department has abolished an online visa system and instead introduced an electronic travel authorization, the so-called ETA. So what has changed? Number 1, the website is different. Number 2, the documentation is little different and it has been simplified. Number 3, now you can apply for the entire group as compared to an individual application which was possible during online visa system. So if you are going with a group, you can apply for the entire group or you can apply individually as well. And number 4 change is that the visa fee, which was $50, has been now reduced in electronic travel authorization to $30. So a $20 change is there. Not big, but still welcome. Log in to the website www.etakenya.go.ke. Click on Apply Now. A pop-up window will appear which tells you about those citizens or travelers who do not need ETA. Then as you scroll down, it enlists the documents you will need for uploading. Then further, it shows other requirements depending on the nature of travel and your citizenship. Next pop-up window will ask you for the consent. Read and then check the box in front of I have read and agreed to the above. If you wish to receive the travel leads and offers, then you may tick the next box, hit continue. Next page will ask you if you are an individual applying for yourself or you want to make a group application. If you decide to make a group application, then you must meet certain criteria. Maximum number of members allowed in the group is 9. But suppose you are more than 9 candidates, then you can make separate application, one for 9 people and one for rest of the people. Next page enlists the specific requirements of group application, and they are that all members of the group must be from the same country of residence. Number 2, they all must share the same purpose of visit. That means whether you are going for a travel or whether you are going for a business or whether you are going for any cultural visit. They must share the same flight and accommodation itinerary for the entire stay in Kenya. And for a regular traveler like me, there is an exciting news. Now you can download a mobile app called Kenya Travel Authorization. However, when I tried to search it on a Play Store, I could not find it. Maybe it is in the preparatory phase at this time when I am recording this video. Now click continue and you will start the actual application now. Please note that I am making this application for a couple who are my guests traveling to Kenya in last week of January. Choose the country of residence. In this case, it is India. Then on next page, you are asked to fill your travel information. The purpose of visit, arrival date. If you are arriving by air, then select the airline from the drop-down menu. Once you select that, automatically the flight number will be embedded. Then select the country of origin of your trip. Next, select the date of departure. Select the departing airline. Choose the destination country. Then you need to write where in Kenya you will be staying and the date of check-in and check-out from that place. If you are going to stay at different places, then click on Add Another Place and write down the information. Once you are done with this, click Continue. Next page asks you about the passport information for each member of the group. Click on Upload Passport page. Here, you have to upload the front inside page of your passport where your photographs and name appears. Select the file, click Open, and you will notice that not only your passport is uploaded, but all relevant information like your name, passport number, date of birth, and passport validity is automatically embedded. Just cross-check, review these details, and click the box to confirm. This document must be in JPEG format and must be less than 296 kilobytes. Similarly, for all other documents, the same requirement applies. Similarly, embed the other passports of each group member. Review the details and check the box to confirm. Once you are done uploading passports of all group members, you now need to upload a recent passport size photograph. The specification is already mentioned in the video previously. Click on Take a Selfie. You can use the webcam to click your selfie by clicking on Get Started. If you are a person who is the traveler and making the application, but if you are applying for a group or other members, then you click on Upload Selfie instead. Then click on the Upload Photo. Select the photo from the location on your PC and embed it. And now you will notice that your photo is also uploaded. Check on Use this photo. Similarly, upload photographs of other group members. Once you are done with this page, click Continue. On next page, you need to write down the contact information of a traveler, phone number, and email address. Please recheck and ensure that the email address which you have put is correct, because it is here where you will get all the information regarding your approval or rejection of the application. Then write down your address as mentioned in the passport. As you start writing, if you find it in a drop-down menu, then select that. Embed the emergency contact. In this case, I am mentioning my own details as an emergency contact because these are my guests. Click Continue. In next page, general information will be asked. Fill up details like country of birth, nationality at birth, marital status, previous travel to Kenya, and other general information. Also, you need to mention whether you are financed by any third party. Saying no is the simplest answer. Remember, this information which you are embedding is for the group leader and not for all the members in the group. Click Continue, and on next page, you have to declare if you will be carrying more than $5,000 with you. If you do that, then you have to declare it to the customs department at the airport. On next page, you have to upload very important document. Accommodation booking confirmation is the letter of invitation which you have called for from the Kenyan agent or your host in Kenya. Select the file and embed it. Next document is airline ticket. Select the file from your PC and embed it. Click Continue. But here I encountered an issue. It says that my document is not valid. Please check the document and try again. What could be the issue? The issue is that it accepts only a JPEG image less than 296 kilobytes. Remember, I told you previously in this video, but I am trying to upload a PDF file because it is this PDF file which I have received from the airline company. So how to convert this PDF into a JPEG image? Simple. Open the PDF and the relevant page. Take a screenshot, save it as a JPEG file and then upload it. So I press on Try Again, and this time I embed the correct file, that is the JPEG file which is a screenshot. Click on Continue. Declare here that you are the applicant and digitally signing this request. Check the box and from the drop-down menu, select yourself. That is, click in front of the primary applicant's name. Click Continue. A pop-up window will appear. Click Continue on that also and then allow the notifications. Next page, check the box in front of a standard processing. You can view the summary of your payment. Continue and fill up the card information. Once you have paid, The pop-up window disappears and now you are on the main page, and as you scroll up, you will see that your application is being submitted. You get one link which you need to copy and preserve to check your application status. Generally, within 72 hours, you will receive your electronic travel authorization. Print it in duplicate and be ready to experience amazing Kenya.